Guess what we're doing today, everybody? We're doing that. Oh, hey. So, this is what it's supposed to look like. So the goal today is to do every single side of this is getting some sticker somewhere. So let's start. There it is. I might not be the fastest. That's it. I'm doing all this over here, so that way when I peel this up, I don't get wrinkles. And also, this is a good anchor, so now I can take all the tape off.
Not me though, love.
Yeah, probably on this
Spice
one.
Girl.
On this one, you might want to pause it. Let's make sure it's on there. Aha! Hear that? Uh-huh. 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 That's why we do this again. Back in my day, I used to rip it off like that, real fast. I've done that one time, ripped the vinyl clean in half. We don't do that no more. We don't have ladders around here, we have trucks. This is the best transfer tape. That other crap, that clear crap, sucks. Ooh, someone got pulled over.
Again?
No, I'm kidding. I've seen them out here on this strip 7 times on one Saturday. 7 freaking times.
Was it the end of the month?
It was close to the end of the month. So not only will this take them to their Facebook page, but that's just great branding. When in need, baby, call Yo D. So my cameraman had to take a lunch break. In the meantime, I finished this. So now here's the hard part. We gotta do the whole side now. That is gonna be a booger, especially by myself. Hey, if anybody wants a job helping me do stuff like this, you should give me a call. All right, next side. Yeah. Help arrived for the last one. Hooray! I'm making a video. I'm not crazy. So, end of day one, shout out to Janie, shout out to Anthony Stopa for helping me. We got so close, so close. We're gonna come back and finish all this tomorrow. Should be done in the morning. Stay tuned.